Create invoice. In Excel. First click on iColumn and insert text. The text invoice. Font set Arial black and bold. Next, insert picture. Click Insert. Click Picture. Insert image from computer. After, click cell B9 and insert address, telephone, and website. Next, show date and sailor. And merge cells date and sailor. In date, I use today function to show date. And sailor name is Emma. Next, I resize on this text to 8 font size. After, click on B14 and enter invoice. And under this cell, show code number. After, show date and use today function the same to display date. Next, type the total. Next, type the header such as description, unit price, and amount. After, inventory such as mouse, keyboard, laptop, and microphone. Next, enter price of product. After, set quantity of product. Next step, total amount. Press equals, click on price and multiply quantity. And press enter. Hold click and pull down. Next, calculate discount. I use if function. OK, equals if open parentheses and type some function. Select all amount and set criteria. If this amount greater than 50 is discount 20%. Next, tax, enter 2%. After calculate discount. Press equals, type some function. Select all amount and multiply discount cell. Next step, display tax. Type equals and some function. After multiply with tax. Next, I need to find total payment. OK, press equals. And some function. Select all amount. And minus with discount. Next, plus with tax. And press enter. This is the outcome of total payment. And under the total payment I show signature. Next, I need to format color and adjust font and font size. Try with this example. I hope that you can create Invoice with basic MS Office Excel. At the header I choose orange color and font color is white. For total I set black on cells. And at the title I set bold. After, resize row and show border. Next, I resize rows for inventory. And make text bold on cells discount, tax, and total. Click this button to show page. This is A4 paper size. Next, click on File and View to print this invoice. OK, here's the result of Create Invoice in Excel. Now, with Create Invoice in Excel is done. Thank you for lovely sharing. ICT Share.